Before going into the topic details, I want to bring your attention to the UPSC coaching programs offered by ClearIAS. ClearIAS offers online and offline courses to help candidates get selected for prestigious government services like IAS, IPS, or IFS. ClearIAS Prelims Cum Mains (PCM) course provides a highly effective study plan, well-organized subject-wise videos, study materials, mock exams, and guidance to cover the entire GS syllabus of UPSC CSE prelims, mains, and interview systematically. As a limited-period offer, there is a 40% discount on our online courses. Enroll now.
And this is the most important aspect of IVC. Because IVC is known for this elaborate town planning. Even it is even better than some of our currently planned towns. See, the town planning majorly consists of two parts. One was citadel, the other was a lower town. It is the arrangement of these areas that requires attention. For example, inside the citadel, all the public buildings were located inside the citadel. Citadel is an uplifted platform. See, here the citadel is there. Citadel is this uplifted platform. So all the public buildings or public utilities were located inside this citadel, so that public can access it inside the common area. So then market areas were inside the citadel. Houses of rulers, because there were some large buildings inside the citadel, we have assumed it as houses of rulers. And many workshops were inside, because bronze was there, we have to create bronze. So hand labor was required. Such workshops were also inside the citadel. So then the streets were arranged in grid pattern. You can see it clearly here. See, grids there's a very specific grid pattern in which all these buildings are arranged. It's a planned arrangement, because almost all the IVC sites have similar plan. So there will be grid pattern streets, and the houses of common people are arranged alternately. So it's also arranged in a very square-shaped pattern. And you can see drainage systems. The drainage lines go parallels this radial pattern for these streets. So parallel to the street, there will be drainage systems, and there will be connection channels from each house to these drainage systems. There is an unimaginable thing for a civilization that is 5,000 years old. There was an extensive drainage system in IVC, and there was a grid pattern street arrangement.